I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now here search and select Zoho Sheet. Here, give them a meaningful integration name. Select a respective data center. Now for client ID and client secret. Please visit Zoho API console. Click on Get Start. Choose Server Base Application. Give a name. Copy homepage URL and redirect URI form authorization page. Now click on Create. You can see client ID and client secret. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Accept. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Workbook. Select Worksheet. Now map the respective fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Zoho Sheet. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Zoho Sheet. Here is the data that came into Zoho Sheet through the integration. Thanks for watching.